Cruising start. Cruising start. Car's coming back. Racing. Racing. Hold on. Let me do some adjustments real quick. Ah! Quick race adjustments. Just go. Just go. Freak it. Go. 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 What are we doing today, Wayne?
You gotta put some speakers in this DMC.
Give you a little visual of the truck. She's going in, no questions asked. There she goes. Ah. Sir?
You have a bag?
Oh yeah, I can get you a bag. I'll let y'all see what it looks like in a little bit. After ripping a door panel off, we figured out that Jacob bought the wrong speakers.
They're not wrong, they're just different.
They're just different, I guess.
You can say that.
You could say that. That's Robert for all people on our YouTube channel that haven't met Robert. We've made it to Walmart now. The old Super Center. Putting in the new news. A lot of Neffs on rednecks out here. Look at this clean beast. How's it coming, Jake?
Need some screws.
Need some screws, bro? Oh my goodness. At least you got the right size speakers now. Turd. Shit ball. So we're still out here at the Walmart. Got my cat eye out here that we've never done a video on for some reason. Gordon, why have we never done a video on the cat eye? Huh? Why is there no videos on the cat eye? Alright, let me show y'all. We got a 4-inch drop on the rear. Go ahead and give y'all the tour, the look around. It's got the splatter paint interior with the fur. Yeah, with the fur. Shit's custom. It's a manual. Yeah, you see that knob right there? She's a manual. Hard laptop tune. She runs and drives great. But speaking of which, we're still stuck on these speakers. We done got the front ones in now. Now we're working on getting the back ones in. I do believe he's got the back ones in. No, those are the old ones. Old ones. We also have some new Boss ones for sale. We are looking to sell these. These are 6x9s. All right, so we got the speakers all in. Now we're jamming out here in this parking lot. Sounds a lot better than what we had. Well, we didn't have shit before, honestly.
One speaker.
Way better. Way better. Oh, you can actually hear it on this side now. That's nice.
A little update on the Dodge. We got this side primed. Working on some body work. And down here, down low. I already done sanded it once, but I done put a second layer on it now. Getting all the filler in there. But I think, give it a couple more weeks. Not even. It'll be alright.